she gave me this yesterday. And sorry for my eyes. Medyo wala pa tayong tulog. Hindi pa nakakabawi. So, I'm so excited actually to open this gift. I don't know. I don't have any idea what is this gift. But thank you so much for all my friends that enjoyed it together with me on my special day. I really enjoyed it, and thank you for always being there for me and for my family and my loved ones. I love you all. So actually, I'm keeping the gift cards. His gift cards. Actually, for my friends. Thank you so much. Yes, I am keeping this. And thank you for the flowers. The flowers is still here. Nice flowers. So beautiful. Thank you for all of you for giving me this such beautiful flowers. Thank you so much for my friends, for Auntie Annie who gave me the cakes. Thank you so much. Thank you so much for Casey, for Judith, Myla, for your presents and for your gifts also. Your gift is so nice and so. This is one of my favorite. And thank you, Auntie Angela, for always supporting me. Auntie Ellen, Liberty, Eunice, Yvonne, thank you. Let's see, let's open now. So excited. Wow! It's bag. So cute. Oh my god. Thank you, Ate Shayla. Thank you so much. It's so nice. Oh. Nakayat mo po. Thank you. So guys, may bag na ako ulit. Meron na akong backpack. And I think, what is this? There's a letter on it. Ay! Guys, meron pa tayong card. This is happy birthday, of course. Yes. Yan naman ako. Highland, happy birthday. Sana matupad na lahat ng wish mo. God bless you. Ate Jedi.
Deep in the shadow.
So guys, bubuksan na naman natin yung another gift from our friend. Or it's Casey and Judith. Thank you, thank you. Let's see this one. So let's see what's inside this plastic. Oh, I think I already know what is this. So guys, supportive talaga sila sa akin sa pag-vlog. Then, oh my god. So, ito na yung kanyang stand. So, how is this? Hello. I'm so happy. Thank you so much. Thank you, Casey and Judith. Napaka-supportive. 10. Yun naman. So, guys, dito ko na lang ilalagay Ring light! Diba? Nakakatulong talaga to. Lalo na pag masyadong dim light sa ating room. Dito. Yes. I think this stand 1 meter. 1 meter yung kanyang taas. And pwede pa siyang taas. I think pwede pa siyang mataas. Let's figure it out. So guys, sana nakikita nyo to. Ayan, ganyan siya kataas. Ang ganda naman. So, mataas pa pala natin yon. Dito ilalagay yung phone. And then, I think I wanna try the light. Ano bang kulay ng kanilang pailaw? So guys, isasaksak ko na siya. Let's see guys. Kanyang remote. Chas. Hi! Oh my god. Next. Okay. Next. Diba? Silaw. Ganda. Thank you so much, Casey and Judith. I'm so happy with your gift.
Deep in the shadow.
And this is the third gift that we will open, guys. Thank you so much for making this special. Thank you so much, Mo. And let's see, guys. Oh, what's this? Happy birthday. Okay. And there's... Okay, what's this? Maybe this is... I don't know. What's this? Oh, it's so cute! I think this is for... AirPods. What's this? Dog or a cat? I think it's a dog. Thank you. So sweet of you. Thank you. And what's here? Sorry guys, I'm holding the other phone. That's why I cannot hold it. Good. So, oh, nice ribbon, huh? Black. What is this? Xyrus. Wow, it's so nice. Red color. It's a watch. Oh, thank you. So sweet. Thank you so much. Nice. Cute. I love the color and I love it. They are the same. Look, I have a new casing for my iPad and I have a new watch. Another collection. Thank you, Mo, for this. Not my passion, but I will try. And how? Ow!